Ever get in your car and when you go to turn it on, you get a message like this?
Eventually.
So obviously when I go to check the car to show you guys, it's not there anymore. A quick look in the user manual, you'll see that all it means is that the battery that's in your key fob is low. So instead of going to a dealer, you could literally go to the dollar store, get yourself the battery and do it yourself. So we're talking about this today. If it pops up on your dash, it says the battery and remote control discharged, and it says that you should replace the battery. So we're gonna do just that today, guys. It's fairly simple. Now, all you're gonna need for this is literally a it looks like a coin. The battery, it's a 2032, and you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver. You could even do it with your nails. It's really all right. So all you want to do for this is go to the back here. You gotta remove the key from the fob by just pressing down on this button here as you pull it apart, and then right here you're gonna insert your screwdriver in here and just pop it up, open. Now that opens up, and in here we're gonna have the battery. Just looking at it quickly, positive is upwards, so just keep that in mind. We're gonna take that one out, put it aside. I went out and got myself this Energizer one. It really doesn't matter. So we're gonna take off the backing and then place it back at an angle like it was. And then to put this back on, just follow the lines. See, this line follows the line over here. So we're just gonna do that, like that. And then squeeze it all together. Put the key back into place and you're done. And now for a quick little test. Everything works. So there you have it, guys. That's how you change the battery in your key fob. Do not go to the dealer for this. You could literally do it yourself. It's super easy, and this is probably one of my shortest videos yet because it's that quick. Off camera, I already changed the battery on my other one. It was just a quick demonstration on how to show you how to do it on one. If you like the video, obviously drop a like and subscribe, because next video, which is today, I'm installing BMW logo welcoming lights under the doors. So if you're interested to see how that looks, I'll actually show you a little picture of what it looks like right now. So if you're interested on that, definitely drop a subscription, because it's coming up within the same day as this video. I'm planning on doing a couple videos a week. Now that it's summer, I have already a couple lined up. Yesterday I installed a diffuser, some smoked side marker lights. I installed a brand new windshield molding. I have a bunch of stuff that I did to the car, and I'm pumping out as many videos as I can for you guys. So if you're interested in anything at all, definitely stay tuned. As always, drive what drives you. I'll catch you next one. Peace.